The year is 1947. India awakens to freedom, brimming with hope and facing immense challenges. The old colonial systems are being dismantled and a new republic is taking shape. Justice, liberty, and equality are promised. But how can justice be served without truth? Traditional investigations relied on eyewitnesses and confessions, methods prone to error and abuse. A new scientific approach was needed to ensure fairness. The answer lay in forensic science, using evidence, not just testimony, to uncover the truth. Imagine a 1950s police station, a spent cartridge, a muddy footprint, a blood-stained cloth. Once overlooked, now vital clues. Early pioneers believed every contact leaves a trace, and their mission was to read those traces. The first forensic labs were humble, just a room, a microscope, and a few chemicals. Chemists, doctors, and physicists became the first forensic experts, driven by a passion for justice. They worked tirelessly, often with limited resources, to prove the value of scientific evidence. Their early successes, though modest, showed the immense potential of forensics. These pioneers laid the foundation for a system that would become essential to India's justice. Forensic science promised a future where silent clues could speak louder than words. The journey had begun. Justice now would be built on evidence. As India grew, so did the complexity of crime, demanding a centralized forensic infrastructure. In 1952, the first Central Forensic Science Laboratory, CFSL, opened in Kolkata, a landmark for Indian law enforcement. CFSLs became centers of excellence, handling the nation's most challenging cases and developing new forensic techniques. Equipped with advanced technology and expert scientists, CFSLs provide crucial analysis for agencies like the CBI and NIA. Their reports often decide the outcome of high-profile cases in court. The network expanded: Hyderabad, Chandigarh, New Delhi, Pune, Guwahati, and Bhopal, each developing regional specializations. CFSLs set national standards, train police and scientists, and drive research to keep pace with evolving crime. They are the backbone of India's forensic capabilities, silent partners in every major investigation. Behind the scenes, they ensure evidence speaks with clarity and authority. While CFSLs tackle complex cases, the daily fight against crime happens at the state level. State Forensic Science Laboratories, SFSLs, are the workhorses, providing timely scientific support to local police. They analyze everything from blood samples to forged documents, forming the backbone of countless investigations. Decentralized networks, including regional labs and mobile units, ensure even remote areas get scientific aid. Despite challenges, backlogs, limited funding, and outdated equipment, SFSL scientists work with dedication. Their reports are the foundation of many criminal cases, giving judges and juries objective evidence. SFSLs are the unsung heroes, piecing together the puzzles of crime at the grassroots. Science, at every level, is a powerful ally for truth and justice. A forensic system is only as strong as its experts. India invested in institutions like the Bureau of Police Research and Development, BPR&D, established in 1970 to modernize crime investigation. BPR&D bridges scientific innovation and practical policing, setting standards and sharing best practices nationwide. The National Institute of Criminology and Forensic Science, NICFs, founded in 1972, trained generations of forensic professionals. In 2020, the National Forensic Sciences University, NFSU, was established, becoming the world's first university dedicated solely to forensic and investigative sciences. With campuses across India, NFSU offers cutting-edge education and drives research in every branch of forensics. These institutions ensure India's forensic experts are world-class, innovative, and ready for the future. They are the intellectual engine powering the nation's pursuit of scientific justice. The evolution of forensic science in India is a story of technological revolution. DNA profiling, introduced in the late 1980s, became the gold standard, solving cold cases and providing irrefutable proof. Digital forensics emerged as crime went online, with experts retrieving deleted data and tracking digital footprints. Ballistics and fingerprint analysis have been transformed by automation and digital databases, making identification faster and more accurate. Tools like the Automated Fingerprint Identification System, EFIS, revolutionized investigations. These advances empower law enforcement to solve cases, exonerate the innocent, and convict the guilty on solid evidence. But technology is a double-edged sword. Criminals adapt, so forensic scientists must stay ahead. Continuous investment, training, and innovation are essential to meet new threats. The journey is ongoing, but the impact on justice and safety is undeniable. Science is now at the heart of every major investigation. Forensic science must be admissible and respected in court to be effective. The Indian Evidence Act of 1872, adapted over time, now allows expert opinions, opening the door for forensic testimony. Section 45 lets courts rely on scientific experts in fields like ballistics, chemistry, and DNA. The expert's role: provide objective information, not decide guilt. Courts increasingly value scientific evidence, especially in serious crimes. Amendments and landmark judgments have strengthened the role of forensics, ensuring evidence integrity from crime scene to courtroom. New laws like the DNA Technology Regulation Bill aim to balance powerful tools with privacy rights. The legal system is evolving, making science a cornerstone of justice. The real impact of forensics is seen in the cases it solves and the experts who drive it. In the 1950s Decoding case, forensic analysis of a parcel bomb led to the culprit, proving science could solve baffling crimes. The 1995 Tandoor murder case used DNA to identify charred remains, setting a precedent for DNA's power in Indian courts. Dr. J.M. Vyas, Vice-Chancellor of NFSU, says, "Forensic science is the key to strengthening the criminal justice system. It provides an unbiased witness that speaks the language of truth. The mission makes scientific investigation standard practice, not the exception." A retired police officer recalls, "With forensic labs, we got concrete leads, fingerprints, DNA, ballistics. It helped us catch the right person and protect the innocent." Forensics shifted investigations from confessions to evidence, making justice more reliable. These stories show forensic science is more than technical, it's a vital force for justice. It gives certainty, protects the innocent, and ensures the guilty are held accountable. Forensics is the silent force behind a fairer society. Despite progress, Indian forensics faces major challenges. Backlogs overwhelm labs, delaying justice for victims and the accused. Many labs lack funding, modern equipment, and enough trained staff. Continuous training and standardization are needed, especially for police who collect evidence. Improper handling can ruin crucial evidence, undermining cases. Greater awareness of forensics' role and limitations is essential for police, lawyers, and judges. Overcoming these hurdles requires investment, training, and streamlined processes. Strengthening forensics is about strengthening justice itself. Since 1947, Indian forensics has grown from humble beginnings to a nationwide network. It's now an essential pillar of justice, armed with cutting-edge technology and world-class experts. The future is bright. NFSU positions India as a global leader, and evidence-based policing is becoming the norm. Rapid DNA analysis, AI, and new tools will make investigations even more scientific and fair. The goal, a justice system where every verdict is based on solid, verifiable proof. Forensic science is the silent guardian of justice, ensuring truth prevails. The future of justice in India will be written in evidence.